Let's get started with Jungle Scout Chrome extension. Jungle Scout plays an important role in analyzing product data. After analyzing the main keyword from listing title, paste the keyword in the Amazon search bar. Let's type Danish dough whisks and run JS on it. First, start by checking the average monthly sale and the average number of reviews. The monthly sale should be greater, accompanied with minimum average reviews. This criterion will correspond to a low competition and high demand. So, in an easy way, monthly sales must be above 300 and reviews should be as few as possible. Less than 400 reviews is a good number. Moving along, check the average monthly revenue of the top listings. The revenue consistency is the key requirement. For example, all the sellers must have a consistent revenue. If the monthly revenue of one seller is, let's say, $50,000 and the second one is only generating only $200 monthly, skip that product. After the revenue consistency check, the consistency of the selling price is also mandatory. All the sellers must be selling the product within acceptable price variation, like $10, $11, $13, means the price is consistent. Contrary to this, if one is selling at $10 and others are at $30 or $4, leave that product. After checking all basic data, brand dominancy and Amazon dominancy must also be checked. There should be no more than 3 brands among the top 10, preferably the top 5 sellers. Brand dominancy can start a price war in the future and must be looked at carefully. In addition, the next thing is the maximum sellers should be FBA or FBM. And there should not be more than 2 Amazon dominancy in the top sellers. If more Amazon listings are present, there will be an extreme price war. Finally, check the reviews of top sellers. At least 2 sellers in the top 5 must have a review count of less than 200. Moreover, the review rating should also be above 4.0 for top 10 sellers. It will manage the fewer product returns. In the next lecture, we will discuss how to use Helium 10. See you in the next lecture.